Hello everyone, I'm Hiral Soni from class 12th. I hope you all will be safe and fine at your homes. Today, I'm here with the important MCQs of chapter number 6, that is, Object Oriented Concepts. I hope this will be also helpful for you in the preparation of board exams. And also, I hereby thank Nuzat ma'am to give me an opportunity to stand on social platform like YouTube. So now let's get started. First, what is the full form of RAD? Options are A. Rapid Access Development, B. Rapid Application Development, C. Random Access Development, D. Read Application Development. And the correct answer is B. Rapid Application Development. Second, Java programming language uses which type of methodology to analysis, design, and implementation of software? A. Structure or procedure programming, B. Object oriented programming, C. Both A and B, D. System oriented programming language. And the correct answer is B. Object oriented programming. Third, software developed using which methodology are proclaimed to be more reliable, easier to maintain, use, and enhance? Options are A. Binary level programming, B. Higher level programming, C. Object oriented programming, and D. None of this. And the correct answer is C. Object oriented programming. Fourth, by using which kind of programming language, flexibility is gained by being able to change or replace modules without disturbing other parts of code. Options are A. Procedural programming, B. Higher level programming language, C. Object oriented programming language, D. None of this. And the correct answer is C. Object oriented programming language. Fifth, when did object oriented programming start? A. 1950, B. 1960, C. 1970, D. 1980. I hope you all will be knowing this answer. That is B. 1960. Sixth, since dash, object oriented programming became the main paradigm to create new software. A. Mid 1990s, B. Mid 1980s, C. Mid 1970s, D. Mid 1960s, and the correct answer is B. Mid 1980s. Seventh, which of the following power of programming language who enables the programmer to create modular, reusable, and extendable code? A. Procedure language programming, B. Object oriented programming, C. Object open programming, and D. None of this. The correct answer is B. Object oriented programming. 8. Which of the following best suits to Java? A. A procedure programming language, B. An object oriented programming, C. A query language, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is B. An object oriented programming. Ninth, the way of programming can be divided into how many categories? A 2, B 3, C 4, D 5, and the correct answer is A 2. 10. Which of the following is a way of programming? A. Structure or procedure programming, B. Object oriented programming, C. Both A and B, D. None of this, and the correct answer is C. Both A and B. 11th, in which way of programming the focus is on writing functions or procedure which operate on data? A. Object oriented programming, B. Procedure programming, C. A query language, D. All of the given options. And the correct answer is B. Procedure programming. 12th, which are two core elements of for any computer program? A. Function and method, B. Data and layout, C. Layout and method, D. Data and function. And the correct answer is data and function. Instead of function, method can be also given. So that is also correct answer. 13th. In the structured programming, data and method are called dash elements. A. Same, B. Different, C. Symbolic, D. Special. And the correct answer is B. Different. 14th. In the object-oriented programming, data and method are called dash elements. A. Same, B. Different, C. Symbolic, D. Special. And the correct answer is A. Same. 15th. In object-oriented methodology, the focus is on which of the following entities? A. Data, B. Function, C. Object, D. All of this. And the correct answer is C. Object. 16. In object-oriented programming, the focus is on objects which contain both dash together. A. Class and object, B. Data and functionality, C. Function and method, D. Attribute and variable. And the correct answer is B. Data and functionality. 17. Which of the following programming language does not support object-oriented programming? A. ASP.NET, B. Java, C. PHP, D. C. And the correct answer is D. C. 18. How many specific properties must be supported by an object-oriented computer language? A2, B3, C4, D5. And the correct answer is C4. 19. A computer language is object-oriented if they support which of the following object properties? A. Abstract, extract, concept, inheritance. B. Abstraction, encapsulation, polymorphism, inheritance. C. Abstraction, extract, polymorphism, inheritance. D. Abstraction, capsulation, polymorphism, and inheritance. And the correct answer is B. Abstraction, encapsulation, polymorphism, and inheritance. 20. Which of the following statement is true for object-oriented programming language? First, it uses object as its fundamental building block. Second, similar objects are classified using a concept of class. Third, abstraction, encapsulation, polymorphism, and inheritance is its basic properties. Options are A. Only 1 and 2, B. Only 2 and 3, C. Only 1 and 3, D. 1, 2 and 3. And the correct answer is D. 1, 2 and 3. 21. In real world, objects can be explained through dash things. A2, B3, C4, D5. The correct answer is A2. 22. Objects can be explained through which things? Name them. A. Data and function. B. Procedure oriented and object oriented. C. Concrete and abstract. D. All of this. And the correct answer is C. Concrete and abstract. 23. The objects that we can't see and touch are called dash objects. A. Concrete objects. B. Abstract objects. C. Both A or B. D. None of these. And the correct answer is B. Abstract objects. 24. Dash is the example of abstract object. A. Concepts like date and time. B. Persons, cars, computers. C. Both A or B. D. None of these. And the correct answer is A. Concepts like date and time. 25th. In object-oriented terminology, characteristics of an object are known as dash. A. Properties. B. Attributes. C. Entity. D. Both A or B. And the correct answer is D. Both A or B. 26. Which of the following is used to distinguish object from each other? Or the question can be asked like this also. To identify the objects, we use the values of these attributes. Values are called what? Options are A. Attributes, B. State, C. Behavior, D. All of this. And the correct answer is B. State. 27. In object-oriented concept, the behavior associated with object is known as which of the following? A. Attribute, B. State, C. Method, D. All of this. And the correct answer is C. Method. 28. Any real-world object can be described in terms of what? A. Identity, what it is called. B. Its state, what it is. C. Its behavior, what it does. D. All of this. And the correct answer is D. All of this. 29. In object-oriented programming, the attributes that describes the object are also referred to as dash. A. Method, B. Behavior, C. State, D. Data field. And the correct answer is D. Data field. 30. The data attributes and behavioral methods associated with an object are collectively referred to as its dash. A. Method or function. B. Members or features. C. State or characteristics. D. None of this. And the correct answer is B. Members or features. 31. Which of the following is used to define common features of similar objects? A. Class, B. Object, C. Methods, D. Variable. And the correct answer is A. Class. 32. Dash can be considered as a blueprint for various objects. A. State, B. Class, C. Behavior, D. Object. And the correct answer is B. Class. 33. A dash is a template for multiple objects with similar features. A. State, B. Class, C. Behavior, D. Object. And the correct answer is B. Class. 34. Which of the following describes a group of objects with similar attributes and common behavior? A. State, B. Class, C. Behavior, D. Object. And the correct answer is B. Class. 35. Which of the following is a general concept used to embody all common features of a particular set of objects? A. Procedures, B. Polymorphism, C. Data field, D. Class. And the correct answer is D. Class. 36. What is instance of class? Or the question can be asked like this also. What is a real world entity? Options are A. Behavior, B. Attribute, C. Value, D. Object. And the correct answer is D. Object. 37. In object-oriented programming, which of the following property keeps the data safe from unintended actions and inadvertent access by outside objects? A. Messaging, B. Polymorphism, C. Encapsulation, D. Data abstraction. And the correct answer is C. Encapsulation. 38. In object-oriented programming, data and methods that manipulate data are guarded against modification or misuse by other components of program are known as what? A. Abstraction, B. Encapsulation, C. Messaging, D. Polymorphism. And the correct answer is B. Encapsulation. 39. Which of the following is the mechanism of providing protection of data and methods of a program? A. Abstraction, B. Messaging, C. Encapsulation, D. Polymorphism. And the correct answer is C. Encapsulation. 40. Which of the following is provided using encapsulation? A. Data protection, B. Data sharing, C. Separation of data and methods, D. All of this. And the correct answer is D. Data protection. 41. In encapsulation, only the object that dash the data can change its content. A. Owner, B. Owns, C. Private, D. Members. And the correct answer is B. Owns. 42. Which of the following enables to represent data in which the implementation details are hidden? A. Encapsulation, B. Abstraction, C. Both A and B, D. Inheritance. And the correct answer is B. Abstraction. 43. Which of the following is enabled by data abstraction? A. Data protection, B. Data hiding, C. To hide implementation details of method manipulating the data, D. All of this. And the correct answer is C. To hide implementation details of method manipulating the data. 44. Which of the following is a concept that hides the complexity? It says what it does but not how it is done. Options are A. Polymorphism, B. Message, C. Abstraction, D. Data. And the correct answer is C. Abstraction. 45. Data abstraction is a technique that relies on the separation of dash and implementation. Options are A. Programming, B. Implemented, C. Interface, D. Functions. And the correct answer is C. Interface. 46. The data abstraction provides dash for our use. A. Skeleton or templates, B. Data hiding, C. Internal implementation, D. Abstract behavior. And the correct answer is A. Skeleton or templates. 47. What is the full form of ADT? A. Absolute data type, B. Above data types, C. Abstract data types, D. Abstract data transfer. And the correct answer is C. Abstract data types. 48. In ADT, we simply define a dash and dash on it. A. Implementation and abstraction, B. Data and type, C. Operations and types. D. Data types and set of operations. And the correct answer is D. Data type and set of operation. 49. Which are the examples of data abstraction? A. ASP.NET. B. PHP. C. Classes in C or Java. D. Structures in C or C++. And the correct answer is D. So structures in C or C++. 50. In object-oriented terminology, a call to a method is called what? A. Behavior. B. Class. C. Message. D. Abstract data type. And the correct answer is C. Message. 51. What is known as a feature in object-oriented programming allows defining more than one method having same name but different signatures in single class. A. Overloading. B. Messaging. C. Encapsulation. D. Polymorphism. And the correct answer is D. Polymorphism. 52. Polymorphism is achieved using how many types of overloading? A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. 5. And the correct answer is A. 2. 53. Which features of object-oriented programming allows defining more than one method having same name but different signature in single class? A. Messaging. B. Method overloading. C. Aggregation. D. Encapsulation. And the correct answer is B. Method overloading. 54. In polymorphism, method having same name but different numbers of parameters and type is called what? A. Composition. B. Signature. C. Message. D. Polymorphism. And the correct answer is B. Signature. 55. With which of the following option polymorphism cannot be achieved? A. Method overloading. B. Operator overloading. C. Data hiding. D. All of the above. And the correct answer is C. Data hiding. 56. Which of the following is part of object-oriented class diagram? A. Data encapsulation. B. Data abstraction. C. Polymorphism. D. All of this. And the correct answer is D. All of this. 57. An aggregation model refers to which of the following relationships? A. Is a relationship. B. Is like relationship. C. A part of relationship. D. All of this. And the correct answer is C. A part of relationship. 58. Aggregation represents which type of relationship between two classes? Options are A. Non-exclusive. B. Exclusive. C. Is a kind of. D. None of this. And the correct answer is A. Non-exclusive. 59. When objects of one class are composed of objects of other class is called what? A. Aggregation. B. Encapsulation. C. Inheritance. D. Polymorphism. And the correct answer is A. Aggregation. 60. Aggregation represents which type of relationship between classes? Options are A. Is a. B. Is a kind of. C. Have a. D. Has a. And the correct answer is D. Has a. 61. If an object of aggregating class is dash, its part class object also will get deleted. Options are A. Deleted. B. Updated. C. Appended. D. Modified. And the correct answer is A. Deleted. 62. Dash is a strong type of aggregation where the lifetime of the part class depends on the existence of the owner class. A. Aggregation. B. Composition. C. Inheritance. D. Polymorphism. And the correct answer is B. Composition. 63. Composition model refers to which of the following relationships? A. Non-exclusive. B. Exclusive. C. A kind of relationship. D. None of the given option. And the correct answer is B. Exclusive. 64. In class diagram, composition is represented using which of the following symbol? A. Empty diamond. B. Filled diamond. C. Empty triangle. D. All of this. And the correct answer is B. Filled diamond. 65. In object-oriented concept, which symbol is used to represent aggregation? A. Empty diamond. B. Filled diamond. C. Rectangle, D. Square, and the correct answer is A. Empty diamond. 66. The class that is contained in owner class is known as dash. A. Subject class, B. Part class, C. Aggregated class, D. All of this. And the correct answer is D. All of this. 67. The class that contains the object of other class is known as dash. A. Owner class, B. Aggregated class, C. Subclass, D. All of this. And the correct answer is A. Owner class. 68. In which of the following the class that forms the part of the owner class can exist independently and the life of an object of the part class is not determined by the owner class? Options are A. Inheritance, B. Aggregation, C. Polymorphism, D. Data abstraction. And the correct answer is B. Aggregation. 69. Aggregation or composition represents dash relationship between classes. A. Has a or a part of, B. Complete or a part of, C. Complete or is not part of, D. Incomplete or a part of. And the correct answer is A. Has a or a part of. 70. An inheritance model refers to which of the following relationships? A. Is a relationship, B. Has a relationship, C. A part of relationship, D. All of this. And the correct answer is A. Is a relationship. 71. What is the other name of inheritance? A. Is a relationship, B. Generalization, C. A kind of relationship, D. All of this. And the correct answer is B. Generalization. 72. In object oriented terminology, which of the following statement is true for class? First, new class is called subclass or child class or derived class. Second, existing class is called superclass or parent class or base class. Options are A. Only one, B. Only two, C. Both 1 and 2, D. None of this. And the correct answer is C. Both 1 and 2. 73. What is called new class in object oriented terminology? A. Subclass, B. Child class, C. Derived class, D. All of this. And the correct answer is D. All of this. 74. In class diagram, which symbol is used to represent inheritance? A. Empty diamond, B. Filled diamond, C. Arrow symbol, D. Empty triangle. And the correct answer is C. Arrow symbol. 75. In object oriented terminology, subclass or child class or derived class indicate what for inheritance? A. Base class, B. Existing class, C. Superclass, D. New class. And the correct answer is D. New class. 76. In inheritance, which type of relationship exists between superclass and subclass? A. A kind of, B. Exclusive, C. Is like, D. Non-exclusive. And the correct answer is A. A kind of. 77. In inheritance, common attributes and methods are defined in dash class in inheritance. Options are A. Subclass, B. Superclass, C. Sub or superclass, D. Public. And the correct answer is B. Superclass. 78. Which class is specialized version with additional attributes and methods? Options are A. Superclass, B. Subclass, C. Child class, D. Both B and C. And the correct answer is D. Both B and C. 79. In object-oriented terminology, existing class is also known as which class in inheritance? A. Honor class, B. Parent class, C. Subclass, D. Both A or B. And the correct answer is B. Parent class. 80. Which of the following refers to the capability of defining a new class of objects that inherits the characteristic of another existing class? A. Encapsulation, B. Inheritance, C. Messaging, D. Abstract. And the correct answer is B. Inheritance. 81. In object oriented terminology, With reference to inheritance, existing class is also called which of the following? A. Superclass, B. Parent class, C. Base class, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D. All of the above. 82. Teacher is a kind of person is an example of which of the following options? A. Aggregation, B. Inheritance, C. Data abstraction, D. Encapsulation. And the correct answer is B. Inheritance. 83. Inheritance is of how many types? A. 2, B. 4, C. 3, D. 5. And the correct answer is A. 2. 84. The class that is derived from one class is also known as which type of inheritance? Options are A. Subclass, B. Multiple inheritance, C. Multilevel inheritance, D. Derived inheritance. And the correct answer is C. Multilevel inheritance. 85. The class that is derived from two or more class is known as which type of inheritance? Options are A. Multiple inheritance, B. Composed inheritance, C. Additional inheritance, D. Multi-level inheritance. And the correct answer is A. Multiple inheritance. 86. There may be classical dash of inheritance between classes. Options are A. Hierarchy, B. Relations, C. Indication, D. Logic. And the correct answer is A. Hierarchy. Thank you.